So I was in Neiman Marcus the other day looking for a good jacket to wear, and there were so many good options, from Canada Goose to Moose Knuckles. I just couldn't figure out which one I should buy. But then I came across the Moncler Maya, a pretty good option. But then I looked at the price tag, what the heck, $1,600? So I decided to hop on Dhgate and I found the exact same jacket for a reasonable price. Watch the videos to the very end because this will actually shock you. The quality is insane. Hey guys, Shiftery here. Welcome back to yet again another video, and today I'm going to be going over this brand new Moncler jacket. If you're wondering where it actually came from, you guys can join my Discord. Again, I just wanted to go ahead and showcase this to you guys, some of my recent pickups, but this is basically how the package came exactly like this, your basic FedEx box. So if we go ahead and slice this open just like that, we can actually get into the box. So I already do have a Moncler Maya already. You guys probably already seen it in my previous videos if you guys are longtime supporters. But this is actually going to be the Moncler Maya in black, and I do want to showcase that it has been double boxed as well. So definitely big shout out to whoever sent me this. But let's go ahead and unbox this a little bit more, just like this. And we are getting into the box. So you're gonna also notice another thing that they did too. Even more wrapping is gonna go into this jacket, which is nice. So this did come from the same vendor as well. They actually didn't vacuum seal it like last time. So last time it came in this very interesting packaging. It was all wrapped up. But we're gonna go ahead and get into here. It does come with a dust bag as well, as you can see here. So the jacket stays nice and puffy in this dust bag. So this is basically the accessory that it comes with, and you can actually have this bag. I don't remember having one of these, or maybe I threw it away, because honestly I don't find these dust bags to be too useful. Actually, I forgot, guys. So we actually do have the Moncler shopping bag. Again, I'm just gonna throw this away, but this is an added accessory, and they just take up a lot of space. But we can go ahead and open this up now. So here is the jacket itself. I will actually put this on body so you can see, and I will try to switch over to another camera angle, but this is definitely a pretty nice jacket. We'll also be testing the QR scanning as well, as you can see right here. But I do want to showcase my other Moncler jacket, and we can probably compare and contrast here. So we do have the other Moncler. This is the same one that I saw a little baby wearing, and I think this one was actually really cool. I think this might be my favorite due to the vibrant color, since orange and this like light blue is actually a contrasting color. It actually makes for a good combination. Other than that other one that's just more black, the reason why I got that one was I was looking for something more, a little bit less like crazy. This is a little bit too vibrant for me, at least. It draws a lot of attention, and honestly just a lot of people are just looking at me when I'm wearing it. And I'll be 100% honest with you guys, these jackets are functional. You can actually bring them into cold weather if that's what you're looking to do. I brought this all the way down to 0-degree weather, but anything past that, it's a little bit obsessive, so definitely keep that in mind. Okay, so now that we're on the phone, we can examine this a little bit more. So this is the Moncler Maya. It's all in black. And as you can see, here is the badge. It's actually really nicely stitched on. So taking a look inside of the pockets, even the small details are actually accounted for. So just by unzipping this pocket, we can also notice the attention to detail. So inside of the pockets, it comes with all of this Moncler paperwork. I believe I still have this inside of my actual Moncler over here, the one that I've been wearing. But this one feels a little bit more fluffier, to be honest with you. It might just be because I had it for a while. But we're gonna go ahead and put this back in there because I find it to be very important that I have this paperwork. It also comes with like this Moncler type tag as well, so I'm not too sure what this is, but it is definitely supposed to be part of the Moncler jacket. So let's go ahead and put that back as well. So jumping into the jacket itself, it is a size 2, like I mentioned before. It is not the normal black Moncler, it's the one with the red zipper, if that's what I'm gonna call it. I'm not too sure, but it's kind of like this type of style of Moncler. I think that's actually pretty cool. So when it's unzipped, it adds a little bit more flavor to the jacket itself. Opening the jacket up, it is just its own classic black interior, no extra colors. You may see with a red Moncler, they might have a brown interior, or an orange one. They'll have the brown one actually. So I believe this is size 2. I'm not too sure where you would actually see the size, because again, I just know my Moncler always fits. Here's all the paperwork. This is probably where you would find it, and you could flip through this book, and this is basically how it's done. So let's go ahead and put this on, and I'll show you what this looks like on body. I also forgot to mention that there is 2 buttons right here and right here, so you can actually make it a tighter fit, or you could just have it like a loose hood. So the first one is just for the normal hoodie, and then the second one is going to be for a more tighter fit hoodie, which is pretty cool. And you also have options over here to pull it in tighter. So I'm actually really happy with this Moncler, especially with the quality and everything. I also forgot to mention that there is 2 buttons right here and right here, so you can actually make it a tighter fit, or you could just have it like a loose hood. So the first one is just for the normal hoodie, and then the second one is going to be for a more tighter fit hoodie, which is pretty cool. And you also have options over here to pull it in tighter. So I'm actually really happy with this Moncler, especially with the quality and everything. I do want to showcase the other jacket, but let's go ahead and get into this QR scanning, and you're going to see this. So you basically place it over. It takes a little bit. I don't know why it takes such a long time to actually scan, but if you place it, see right there, it actually has scanned, and it's scanning multiple times actually. And we could literally click on this, and it's going to take us to the Moncler website, just like that. Looks like I'm running out of some iCloud storage here. Might need to update that. Hopefully this channel can get monetized so I can afford that. Let's press OK. And you can see, yep, we are on the Moncler website. So again, that cannot be used as a valid way to track if your Moncler is fake or not. A lot of these fakes are getting really, really good. So that's something to keep in mind. You do want to be careful on that regard. But overall, with this jacket, I'm pretty happy with it. It is a size 2. Again, I'm not too sure if I am going to be wearing it, but it is definitely a really nice jacket. And comparing it to my other Moncler that I got from the same person, it actually is really, really good quality. So let's go ahead and try on the other Moncler. You guys probably seen me on Instagram with this one already about like a year ago, and I think it's definitely a really good jacket. So let's go ahead and put it on. But anyways, that's gonna pretty much wrap today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. I'm gonna be doing a ton more product reviews on this channel, and in my personal opinion, my final verdict on this Moncler, it is pretty comfortable. It is a little bit different from that one behind me, but it is from the same person. Just saying the colors, and there's a ton of different colors available, so if you are interested, make sure to go and join my Discord, and you guys can actually join a community of sneaker and clothing enthusiasts. But anyways, we're actually close to 20,000 members, but I'll see you guys next time.